Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. I have got the one of the stock where you can invest and get in long term very nice return on investment guys. You know that the Warren Buffett also told that be greedy when others are fearful. Okay guys, this is the best quote right now because Netflix has been right now it is in a downfall. Okay guys, so it's the first target is that you are 204. You can invest here your 50% and next investment will be your 50% is 168 or 170 round level. Okay guys, you can invest here, so in long term you can get very nice result and you got very nice return on investment guys, because of you know that the Netflix is the biggest company and it's making very nice series and movies. So right now it's falling because of you know that the pandemic of war, so that's why it's falling. So you can have a opportunity right now guys, so you have your hard-earned money also, so please do analysis also. But what I am saying is this is the best time to invest in Netflix guys. So if you are interested, so you can invest here. Your first time is this, okay guys, at 201 201, and second time you have, if it fallen up till here, you can invest at 167. Okay guys, these are the two where you can invest in. First you can invest here 50%, next here you can add more 30%, and here if it will came down this much, it will be very heavy fall, then also it will came, then you can invest here your 20%, or it will crosses this, then you can again invest your 20%. In long term I am telling you Netflix will gives you the very nice return guys. So this is the best opportunity to grab. So if you think that it will be the best place, so go and check out this stock, and if you have that conviction, so you can buy this Netflix stock guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching.